my name is Ray. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're already an existing subscriber, welcome back. I have decided to do like a weekly, well, not a weekly, it's like just a week in the life vlog as a comeback video for YouTube. It's Monday, 9:50 in the evening, and I just got off my first call. So I normally start work at 10 p.m. here in the Philippines, because if you don't know yet, I work US hours. I've been working US hours since April of last year. So I just got off a call. I'm drinking my now a bit colder water, and I am preparing for my next call. I forgot to film during my morning routine earlier. It totally slipped my mind again. But I am going to insert at least once this week, so you can see like how it is usually for me during weekdays and also on weekends. I'm going to try to keep this vlog as simple as possible. I rarely go out with the pandemic, so you'll probably just be seeing me inside the house or me just going outside, but just to pick up my food and the parcels that I'm going to receive. My main day in life, I'll be talking about what I do for work in a bit. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to do like a more conversation style vlog to also get out of my comfort zone. Like, I used to do this before and I was pretty confident, but you know, life happened and I just want to get back to being more present, like physically, in my posts and in my vlog. I have to do some stuff today. I'll be working until 5 a.m. since I started work at earlier, because I had a call with people that were almost the same time zone as me, and so I had to adjust my time. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll check back again later.
Earl Grey is the best tea, top drinkers, you know.
I think of us being iron short iron play is having the mindset that
This is what it looks like. I bought this cloth box. It's just a few items that I need inside the house. Yung pwede ng face ID nang nakamask. So I just got off a call with my boss. Just had like a one-on-one session for project updates and my actual role updates. And now I am going to have my focused work time lapse. So I'm going to show you like how I usually set it up. Waiting for my current timer. I know I was supposed to not be distracted, but you can see I still have like 19 minutes. I'm just going to finish some more internal stuff, and then I'm going to go and set up my tripod so I can film my focused work video. Get my matcha. This is how I set up my phone to take time-lapse videos. Yeah, I put it in an angle that I want it to be. So that's how it looks like. And then I just go ahead and go on with my work. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to first take out the trash, then get my food downstairs, eat my dinner, wash the dishes, and then take a bath. And that's typically how my day works after work.
Oh, I thought it said Criterion Cape. Does honey ever?
Foods that are rather day cake one is also really good, and then like that actually like satisfies my, you know, that's why our prayer lives when we end up being made, right? It's talking to God.
So I just finished a client call. We had our weekly touch point just a few minutes ago, and now I'm on my 15-minute break. I've done 2 hours of focused work. Phone is still here, and I am going to stop recording soon once the timer is over because like my battery is already low. I watch videos on YouTube as well while I'm on my break. I am going to go like walk around so that I can achieve my stand goals for the day, and then I'm going to refill my water bottle just to ensure that I'm hydrated, and then I'm going to do still like an hour and a half of focused work, but I'm not going to include it in the time lapse because my phone can't do it anymore. I need to charge it. I'm doing tea time plan stuff. I'm going to upload the time-lapse reel that I created today. And you know what? My my camera is just not cooperating. So I already edited my video. Okay, I just need to choose the music for it. Okay, so I was surprised because I only ordered like these transparent stickers from Paponi's, and I got a free mug. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I used to order a lot from Paponi's back when I was the paper junkie. It just feels so good to be remembered. From their sale, and my goodness, these are so pretty, by the way. So I got a couple of items, books.
begins by, the word of God, it is powerful and it is able to change and to transform us. Hebrews 4:12 says it is living and effective and sharper than any double-edged sword, penetrating as far as the separation of soul and spirit, joints and marrow.
There was at his head a cake baked on hot stones in a jar of water.
Moving upwards. There are two ways to do this. One is this, and the other one is this. Both motions.
Hey Siri, good night.
Okay, done.
Council were amazed when they saw the boldness of Peter and John, for they could see that
This phrase that you may have heard, that I've heard people say a lot, where they say, God won't give you anything that you can't handle, right? And that phrase sounds comforting until you experience something that is so difficult or so painful that you can't.
With love, and I in him, he it is that bears much fruit, for apart from me, you can.
Do you know what Evan is doing alone in his room?
Already? He's only 9.
He's praying.
Oh, yes, that's what I thought too.
What does he say? What conversation does he need to be having with God that he can't have with his own mother?
If you're so curious, maybe you should go to church with him.